just might be a hoe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. Well, I proposed to something the other day, but I'm back doing actual talk throughs. So today, everybody always asks me the question, well, how long does it take for you to do that? I don't know if they being shady or they just want to know. Like, oh, I don't have time for that. Oh, I love makeup, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm going to show y'all literally my everyday get up and go beat. And I'm going to record straight through. I might mute the audio. I don't know. But I'm going to just record straight through and show you guys how long it actually takes me to get ready. This is going to be a simple, basic beat. Basic, a little bit of shadow, some brows, some lashes, and out the door. Just something for the everyday working girl. Not that I don't work, but I do work. But it doesn't, I don't mind spending an hour. But for the girls who don't have an hour, have to get the kids ready, got things to do before they get out the door and don't have the time for a double cut crease with glitter. So we're going to do a simple everyday look. So if this is your first time here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because that's what all the other YouTubers be saying or whatever. And make sure you what else they be saying? Turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified when I upload a video. All right, let's get right into it. The first thing I always do is skin prep. Okay, no, for real, I'm gonna mute the audio because if this is really every day, I ain't gonna be talking to myself. I'm gonna be watching a little Chicago series, Chicago Fire, or whatever. So I'm gonna put on the TV and I am going to record and follow along. Grab y'all stuff. I need a brow pencil, some foundation, a bunch of stuff. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, one more thing. Let's do a time check. It is now, how you make the time big? Oh, it is now, focus on me. 2:51. Well, 2:51. So I'm gonna press play and we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna show you how the time went on time.
My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit excited, I feel it.
bad girl and your friend's bad too. Oh, he got the swag, so she drippin' swag too. You a bad girl and your friend's bad too. Oh, he got the swag, so she drippin' swag too. Oh,
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. So tonight, I'll do it every way. Because knock until the morning light. 'Cause we like to party.
Okay, so I am done. The time is now. Ugh. Can y'all see the time? Focus. 3:36. So it's been a little over half an hour, but y'all know I be losing stuff. If I was more organized, I feel like this would have been way faster. But you can definitely do a full face of makeup in like 20 to 25, 30 something minutes. Listen, don't judge me. I have a lot going on. But yes, I wanted to show y'all it doesn't take an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours to get a cute everyday makeup look. So I hope you like this video. I think I said this already, but make sure you subscribe. And yeah, see you guys later. That was so. See you later. Bye y'all.
Got Tim's hoe, Silkies. Got beef and broccoli. Got tracksuits, Rock Lee. Got swipes, hoe, not me. Birds in the trap line, birds on the phone. Birds in the coop with that hookah and Patron. Birds in the trap line, birds on the phone. Bitch, I'm a bird.